Animal Kingdom? Are you excited today?
But I like Epcot one.
You like Epcot better than Animal Kingdom?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Why?
Guardians.
Because of the Guardians.
And
And what?
and Test Track.
Oh, Test Track.
And Guardians.
Right now. Stop it. We're top. Light on the right.
Have a good day.
What do you mean? It's the first time I took flagging all week.
I used to get flagged every day.
Every time it's like,
She likes to wave. Take this down.
Another side, please. On your belt.
Of the trap. Shaped mountain. Now the one is orange, but they do get the name as we go. And unlike a lot of other birds, he communicates through vocalizing soft. Our job is going to be to look for really low necks. In monotones and awareness. Inside it is that monkey off to the left. We're gonna do a couple of things. Here you recognize with the familiar iconic red and blue. Here's the back and forth. Now that is going to be something that they do on purpose. But we see elephants. Now a lot of times you will also see elephants covered in that of mud, that of earth. That is all. Now all of those flamingos here, those are the operator flamingos. Your is actually known as a giraffe.
fun. You want to ride it again? Yeah?
I can do it for 24 hours if I have.
24 hours. That's a long time.
It's a full entire nap.
Do you want to go ride Dinosaur now?
Yes.
Let's go.
I'm Dr. Marsh, director of the Dino Institute.
Hello there. Welcome to our little trans-dimensional joyride, folks. And don't worry about that asteroid. You'll be in and out of there before it even breaks the atmosphere. Trust me, what could go wrong?
And please watch children. Atención, guarden todos los artículos sueltos. Abróchense los.
Go ahead, Debbie. I got it.
Say hi, princess. I'll have you come to this side. You got a better view for you. You can see the baby as well. Perfect. Right there.
Baby. Hey. Bailey. I can't just melting. Where are we at?
Washington Ocean Explorers. You may know about stars in the sky, but did you know that there are over 2,000 types of sea stars?
And Nemo.
Ollie is a milky eagle owl, one of the largest owl species in the world. And get ready because her neck probably takes her the whole way across the middle. So like I was saying, she was fascinating. They sit up high in that tree. They have that
And over here you can get a closer look. Stop the spread of disease, keeping a lot of places.
Get it.
The one we got for Dinosaur, we used it.
On the count of three, let's trumpet triumphant. 1, 2, 3. Yes, the mighty panther. All together. 1, 2, 3.
Flip, 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 flip.